Are you searching for the best vitamin C serum to brighten your complexion, reduce fine lines, and tackle uneven skin tone? With so many products on the market, finding the right one can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 vitamin C serums: Obagi Professional Sea Serum, TruSkin Vitamin C Serum, Drunk Elephant C-Firma Day Serum, Paula's Choice C15 Super Booster, and Vishy LiftActiv Vitamin C Serum. By the end, you'll know which serum best fits your skin's needs and concerns. Kicking off our list at number 1, Obagi Professional Sea Serum. The Obagi Professional Sea Serum is a dermatologist-recommended product that delivers high concentrations of vitamin C for visible skin rejuvenation. It's ideal for those looking to combat signs of aging and dullness, with professional-grade results. Key features: formulated with 20% L-ascorbic acid, the purest form of vitamin C, this serum penetrates deeply into the skin to provide antioxidant protection. It also contains lightweight ingredients that ensure fast absorption without leaving any residue. Benefits and usage: this serum brightens the skin, reduces hyperpigmentation, and stimulates collagen production for firmer skin. Apply 5 to 7 drops to clean, dry skin in the morning before sunscreen to maximize its antioxidant benefits throughout the day. Usability: it's lightweight, non-greasy formula, spreads easily, and works well under makeup. Suitable for most skin types, especially normal to oily, it integrates seamlessly into any skincare routine. Durability: packaged in a dark amber bottle to preserve its potency, the serum lasts for several months with daily use. Its high concentration ensures visible results with consistent application, making it a worthy investment for glowing skin. In the second spot, we have TruSkin Vitamin C Serum. The TruSkin Vitamin C Serum is a budget-friendly yet effective option for achieving a brighter and more even complexion. This serum combines powerful ingredients to address multiple skin concerns in one formula. Key features: this serum features 20% vitamin C, hyaluronic acid for hydration, and vitamin E for added antioxidant benefits. It's free of parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances, making it a gentle choice for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: the TruSkin Vitamin C Serum improves skin tone, minimizes fine lines, and enhances hydration. Apply 3 to 5 drops to clean skin in the morning or evening, followed by your favorite moisturizer. Usability: its lightweight texture absorbs quickly, leaving no sticky residue. It works well with other skincare products and can be used day or night for flexibility in your routine. Durability: packaged in a sturdy amber glass bottle with a dropper, this serum is designed to maintain its efficacy over time. With consistent use, it delivers noticeable improvements in skin brightness and hydration. Coming in at number 3 is the Drunk Elephant C-Firma Day Serum. The Drunk Elephant C-Firma Day Serum is a high-performance formula packed with antioxidants, enzymes, and nutrients to brighten and firm the skin. It's a great choice for those seeking a luxurious, clean beauty option. Key features: this serum contains 15% L-ascorbic acid, ferulic acid, and vitamin E for maximum antioxidant protection. It also features pumpkin ferment extract and sodium hyaluronate to exfoliate and hydrate the skin. Benefits and usage: this serum targets signs of aging, uneven texture, and dullness while providing 72-hour hydration. Apply it in the morning to clean, dry skin and follow up with sunscreen for all-day protection. Usability: its smooth, non-irritating formula is suitable for most skin types, including sensitive. The serum has a slight natural tint and scent from its potent ingredients, but it blends easily and layers well under other products. Durability: the airless pump bottle ensures the formula stays fresh and effective. With its concentrated ingredients, a little product goes a long way, offering lasting value despite its premium price point. Taking our 4th spot is Paula's Choice C15 Super Booster. The Paula's Choice C15 Super Booster is a powerful, customizable serum designed to improve skin tone and texture. Its lightweight formula works as a standalone treatment or can be mixed with other products for added convenience. Key features: this serum contains 15% L-ascorbic acid, ferulic acid, and vitamin E, along with peptides to boost skin resilience. Its pH-balanced formula enhances absorption while minimizing irritation. Benefits and usage: this booster reduces fine lines, brightens the skin, and defends against environmental damage. Add 2 to 3 drops to your moisturizer or use it alone on clean, dry skin every morning for best results. Usability: the versatile formula makes it easy to integrate into any skincare routine. Its lightweight consistency absorbs quickly, leaving the skin smooth and prepped for makeup or sunscreen. Durability: packaged in a small, opaque dropper bottle, this serum retains its potency when stored properly. Regular use ensures noticeable results, and its customizable application makes it a great choice for all skin types. And finally, at number 5, we have Vichy LiftActiv Vitamin C Serum. The Vichy LiftActiv Vitamin C Serum is a dermatologist-tested formula that combines vitamin C with other nourishing ingredients to deliver visibly radiant skin in just 10 days. It's a reliable option for those new to vitamin C serums. Key features: this serum features 15% pure vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and Vichy's proprietary volcanic water. The minimalist formula is free of fragrances and parabens, making it ideal for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: this serum brightens the skin, improves elasticity, and reduces the appearance of fine lines. Apply 4 to 5 drops to clean, dry skin in the morning and follow with sunscreen for maximum effectiveness. Usability: its lightweight, fast-absorbing formula leaves no sticky residue, making it perfect for layering under other skincare products. The serum is designed for daily use and works well even for beginners. Durability: packaged in a dark glass bottle to protect against oxidation, the serum maintains its potency with proper storage. With consistent application, you'll see smoother, brighter skin within weeks. Choosing the right vitamin C serum can make all the difference in your skincare journey. From the professional-grade results of Obagi to the budget-friendly effectiveness of TruSkin, the clean luxury of Drunk Elephant, the customizable Paula's Choice C15 Super Booster, and the beginner-friendly Vichy LiftActiv, there's a serum here for every need. Identify your skin's unique requirements and select the serum that aligns best with your goals. Consistent use will leave your skin brighter, healthier, and glowing like never before.